buy that part. We'll see how that goes. But if anything else keeps going wrong, I can't keep pouring money into this thing. I'm not rich, you know. Super poor. Alright. So to let you know. Kids don't try this at home. I'm just gonna go down this sidewalk that they made, which is beautiful, by the way. And I hate it when I go down here, so let's see if I get yelled at. Might be fun. Although this bike's going bike speed, so it might not be as exciting. We'll see. One guy was already staring at me, but you couldn't see him. She's starting to go a little bit. Ooh, we're going like 12. Slowest bike in the world. The Viper. This is stupid. I don't know why. I'll just save up and get a real bike. Oh, great. Helicopter. Yeah, it's really getting dark around here. Made it to the video game store, but jeez, I don't know. It's starting to look nasty out here. I might have to turn around, guys. I don't think I have time to shop. All this stuff I have is priceless to me. And if it gets wet, it's going to be ruined. Shit, there's even a... I don't know how I get over there. Anyway, see if you can see the helicopter. Yeah. There she goes. You guys see it? I don't know. Pretty cool. They're giving helicopter rides. How cool is that, huh? I mean, real life is just so much better than video games. I swear. So should I see, last time I saw a blimp, this time I see a helicopter. It's like they're landing somewhere. I wonder if I can figure that out instead of going to the dumb video game store. It might be more fun. How do we get over there? Let's see if I can figure this out. Alright, we're not going to go buy a video game. We're going to go tell helicopter, apparently. I can order a video game. Alright, it's got to be over there somewhere. Well, now I'm in the street, which is dangerous as hell, but we're going to try it anyway. I can see where it landed. I just don't know if I can go over that way. We're gonna try. I've got 3 bars left on my bike, so I wish well, not wish. Should have been like a minute earlier. Probably could have made it. Alright, let's see if I can even cross here. Oh. Oh, there's somebody in my way, I swear. We're gonna have to wait. I just pushed the button. Hope it works. It's dangerous here, so I gotta watch it. Yeah. Oh, says I can go. Let's see if I live. Thank you. That was nice. Somebody let me over. Alright, let's go see if we can find a helicopter. See it up front, you know, up close, whatever. If I ever can make it through this maze. Oh, now my bike doesn't want to do the hill. Oh, she's so sick. I don't know if it's over here or over there. But there's fire department and shit over here. I don't know yet, we'll see. Oh, we can look at fire trucks, what do you do, right? Kids like fire trucks, right? Oh, here it is. I found it. There we are. I don't know where I'm supposed to be, but cars need to be out of my way. There we go. Alright guys, let's go see a helicopter. There, we'll walk over to it. Alright, here we go. Pretty cool, huh? Well, nope, we're gonna see this sucker. Unless we get yelled at, but there's a lot of people with cameras around here. I should be fine. Try not to film the people too much. Hold on.